Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to resize product images in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Products. From your items list, click on the specific product that has the image you want to adjust. In the Media section, locate the product image and click on it to open the built-in media preview window. First, click on the Resize tab. Type your new target dimensions in pixels to scale the large image down, and click Apply. Next, switch over to the Crop and Transform tab. To turn your tall rectangle into a perfect square, select Square. Once your framing is complete, click Apply at the bottom of the editor window. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to resize product images in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.